Hi everybody, welcome to AgaMath. This is Rakesh. In the previous video, we have learned what is a set, right? Now from this chapter sets, we are going to learn how to represent the set, how to denote a set, right? So whenever we would like to denote a set, remember we have to use the capital letters. So to denote a set, we use capital letters. Like for example, if we and also the set should be represented, means enclosed, using the curly brackets like this. This is what 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So here I used a set to represent in a set, and also when we denote this set, we have to represent using the capital letters. Whatever the letter you use from A to Z, nothing wrong, but we have to use only the capital letters to denote a set. And also remember that we have to use a curly brackets or called braces. So to denote a set, we use capital letters, A to Z, any letter can be used, and also we use the curly brackets or called braces, right? Now representation of a set. What we are going to learn? Representation of a set. Representation of a set. Representation of a set. How do we represent a set? We represent a set in three ways, in three methods. One method is said to be description method. And another method is roster method or list form. Roster form or list form. And the third method is said to be rule method or set builder form. So representation of a set. We can represent a set in any three of these ways. One is description method, one is a roster or list form, and another is rule method or a set builder form, or you can call a rule form or set builder form. Then how do we represent, how we can represent in description? What is the difference between these three? Let us see now. Let me take numbers or a statement that is set of A is set of first 5 even numbers, right? So this is a statement given where A equals to what? Set of first 5 even numbers. Now in the description method, how do we write in the description method, right? How do we represent this in the description method? In the description method, we write as the curly brackets. So always I told you, right? And A equals to, same I write, set of first 5 even numbers. This is the description method. If the same, if you go with the roster form, right? Roster form. Or a list form we said, right? In this, A equals to, just you have to list 2, 4, 6. What these are? Even numbers, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the first 5 even numbers, right? So this is a roster form or list form, as we said. If the same I would like to represent in the set builder form, right? Set builder form. Set builder form. So set builder form, that is A equals to, if you observe these numbers, so whenever we would like to make write into the set builder form, you should see what the numbers and how they are formed. For example, if I see like 2 is written as 2 into 1, and this is what 2 into 2, and this is 2 into 3, and this is 2 into 4, and this is 2 into 5. Means if you observe 2 into something, 2 into something, 2 into something, means these are even numbers. Or generally we can say that these numbers is like 2n, because even numbers algebraically we can write it as 2n such that 2n such that means this indicates what form they are. 2 is common. I have taken a variable where the value is getting changed here. In their place I used n instead. You can use any other variable also. So 2n. So where n is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is what? N less than or equals to 5, comma, n belongs to natural numbers. So this is said to be what? Set builder form. 2n such that n less than or equals to 5 and n belongs to natural numbers. So one is description method, roster form, and set builder form. But most of us we follow these two methods. One is roster form and another is set builder form. So roster form is nothing but rule form. List form. Roster form is nothing but list form, and the set builder form is nothing but rule form. Let us see a few more examples that is how to write in the roster form and the set builder form, right? Let us come with one more example here. P is a set of first first 6 prime numbers. 6 prime numbers, right? So let if you see into the roster form is nothing that what? Roster form is also nothing that list form, right? So when I would like to present in the roster form, so P equals to set of first 6 prime numbers. So what are the 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the first 6 prime numbers. If I would like to present this in the set builder form, right? In the set builder form. So set builder form is nothing but P equals to x such that okay, x such that, and what if in the previous example we have seen, can we form any rule using these numbers we have in the set, but coming to this we cannot make any rule. So what we do is x is a prime number. X is a prime number less than 14. So x such that x is a prime number less than 14. Here this is what? X, an element. So what is this element? Element means what? Whatever the numbers or objects or the things we write in a set, those are said to be the elements. It means 2 is an element, 3 is an element, 5 is an element. If we write the names or a number, some other anything we write in a set, those are said to be the elements. So x is an element. And what does that element? Element is a prime number less than 14, or you can write less than 15, or you can write less than 16, because if whatever the prime number is less than 16 also you get the same. So this is a set builder form and this is a roster form. Now let me take one more example. That is for example, now directly I write into the roster form. Roster form, C equals to, set C equals to 6, 12, 18, 24, right? If you see here, when we would like to write into the set builder form, how do we write it? How do we write it? So this can be write as, for example, as we learned before, right? This is like 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 4. So here 6 is a constant which is not changing. The change is happening like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, right? So 6 is constant. So 6 in place of 1 changes like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take any variable. I would like to take x. So 6x such that. So then what is x? X is 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is less than or equals to 4. X is less than or equals to 4, comma, x belongs to natural numbers, right? So this is one representation in the set builder form. Sorry, here it is like C equals to 6x such that in this way. Even you can write like this, C equals to x such that x belongs to, so this is a symbol we use, belongs. Okay, this is a symbol we use, belongs. X belongs to what? These are the multiples of 6. Multiples of 6 less than 25. Even you can write in this way also, nothing wrong, but try to represent in this form using some conditions and using some mathematical symbols, so that it will be easier. So you may get down, what does belongs? Belongs means what? X belongs means x is what value, for x what values are given, that indicates. And one more thing I would like to tell you, whenever you would like to write into a set, okay, so let us see now. Before you watch the video, subscribe it, click on the bell icon for more notifications. Now I take one more example here. For example, like b equals to x such that x equals to 2n, x equals to 2n, n belongs to natural number, and n is less than or equals to 5. So now we already know that this is in the set builder form. Now I would like to write into the roster form or a list form, we say, right? So roster form or list form. So b equals to 2n, and n is what? Natural number, as well as n values taken as what? Less than or equals to 5. So in natural numbers, what are the values less than or equals to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the place of n, in the place of this n, you have to substitute all these values. These values to be substituted. So 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 5, 10. So this is a b is equal to what? In the list form 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So according to the given condition, I have taken the values. In the place of n, I have substituted and I got. Some students may write like this: b equals to what? 2, 6, 4, 8, 10. And some other may write b equals to what? 6, 4, 8, 2, 10. This is right, this is right, this is right. And remember, whenever you would like to write into the set, order is not important. Order is not important. You can write in any order. For example, if someone come to your house and ask how many members are in your family and what are their names, means you may say your family members' names in any order, nothing wrong, right? You can give your family members' names in any order. So nothing wrong in that. So here also order is not important. And one more thing you have to remember, if whenever you would like to write into the set, and when you list the elements, right? So b equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again if you write 2. So this is wrong. Why it is wrong means, in a set, no element is repeated. Element is not supposed to repeat. It means, for example, in a family, so that set F, in a family there are 4 members whose names are A, B, C, D. So when we give the names of that family of A, B, C, D, do we repeat the same person again? No, right? So we don't repeat the same person again when we would like to give the name. In the same manner, we are not supposed to repeat the elements in a set. So in this class, what we have learned, that set should be represented with the capital letter, denoted with the capital letter, and it can be represented in 3 ways. One is the description form, set builder form, roster form, right? So when you would like to form into the rows, and also you have to use curly brackets or braces, right? And see carefully. So you can represent a set in the roster form. Most of the states and most of the boards, they use 2 methods. One is the roster form and another is set builder form. Roster form also called list form. I hope you all understood. Thank you for listening. For any queries, any doubts, you can give us a mail at askagamath@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.